The first method is the subplot method, that is using the subplot inbuilt MATLAB function. So you have to put in the function, and for the function it has 3 arguments. The first 2 arguments are used to specify the configuration you want your plots to appear in. So the first argument is the number of rows you want, and the second argument is the number of columns you want, while the third argument is the numbering of your plots. We are going to give an example of plotting 4 plots in a single plot. So I want it in a 2 by 2 configuration. That is, my plots will appear in a 2 row and 2 columns form. So for my first plot, I will just put 1, and then I will use my plot function. I have in my x-axis I want x1, y1. So these are data that I have already in my workspace. So I want it to appear in blue. Then you move to the second plot. So that is your 4 plots. So as I told you, you'll have them in 2 by 2 configuration, the 4 plots. So you can change the configuration to have like 4 rows and 1 column. You just have to change the first 2 arguments, that is 4 rows 1 column, 4 rows 1 column, and if you plot it, it will appear in 4 rows and a single column. If you want like your plot, that is the general plot, to have one single title, you can use the SG title, and then the title name, multiple plots. So it will have multiple plots in a single plot as your title. So now moving to the second method, tiled layout. So you have to use the tile layout function, and you also specify the configuration you want your plot to appear in. So say if I want it to be like 2 by 2 like I did in the first case, so you just have to put the next tile command. You have your plot, so x y1, then you put next tile again. So for running this section, I have to just put run section, and you can see you have your 4 plots, and you can like change the configuration. As I said, if you want it to be in 1 by 4, that is 1 row 4 columns, you just have to change the arguments for the tiled layout, and then it will be 1 by 4, as you can see. If you want to learn how to draw a cycle in MATLAB, kindly watch the video on the screen. Please like and subscribe to the channel.